Hey guys, Raj Gore here. Today I'm gonna unbox the OnePlus 8 Pro, brand new. So here we go. Nice and easy. Oh wow, a masterpiece. Glacial green color, super sleeky. Damn man, I'm loving it already. Let's see the box contents. Here's the pull tab. Here's the cover for it with Nevacedo logo. Warp charger cable and a warp charger itself. So less of the contents. Let's see what's in this. Oh wow, a red cable club. Scar for OnePlus. Some SAR values, surface active radiations, recycling paper, and some stickers. Quick guide. Where's the invitation? Okay, here it is. Hello Pete Love. तो ये रहा इनविटेशन लेटर OnePlus Pete Love से. There we go. अरे पड़ गया. Unboxing gone wrong. Hello Pete. Simru mobile 2. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Nice boot up speed. So let's see with the settings. Agree. Okay. User experience problem, no thanks. Skip. Skip. Continue. Next. Disagree. Skip. Skip. My favorite font, navigation gestures. Okay, back from the light. Okay, well done. Okay, the setup is complete now. Here we go. You see the smoothness, buttery fluid. Let's look into the specs. Oops. About phone. The name is OnePlus 8 Pro. You can change the name. Android version is 10. Cool. Oxygen was 10.5. तो अगली वीडियो में हम देखेंगे इसके कैमरा स्पेसिफिकेशंस और सेटिंग्स के बारे में. डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय फ्रेंड्स चैनल. थैंक यू.